So no wonder why it's cool, I'm the dude that they hating on. And I ain't gon' stop till the day that I drop, so you haters might be waiting long. So tell me what they gon' do with me, when I am that dude you could be, but homie you can't, and haters.
Alright, our last group of 6 is this Magic, The Gathering, and Innastrad. So we have Victim of the Night, Somber Wild Spider, Thrabin Pureblood, Orchard Spirit, Urgent Exorcism, Manor Skeleton, Spidery Grasp, One-Eyed Scarecrow, Armored Scab. Our first uncommon is Rolling Timblar, Slayer of the Wicked, Paraceline as our last uncommon, and our rare is nice Snapcaster Mage, sweet, with a wolf. This, and a reverse card is Hannerware Watchkeeper. Thank you for watching.
Don't give a fuck. Other days I feel like $1 million. I just can't keep doing this, cause it's the same shit. I spill my heart with this pen and no one even listens. Baggy pants, new kicks, and a fresh tee. If you wanna criticize, then criticize me, cause I ain't in it just to get a name or for the fame. I'm in it cause this is what I love to do. You haters look like you ate a grapefruit. I guess it's time to ride solo cause it's my thing. I keep a time with me, you bitches spare change. I ain't even left yet before spring. This is so much more.